force. Oh man, this is the real deal. Wow. Ordered this from Amazon. Oh wow. And I'll leave the link in the description, so if anybody wants to buy this drill, buy it from the link in the description. That will help me to earn the commission or for the video that I'm making for you guys, so that y'all can decide if y'all want to buy the same drill or not. Okay, so this drill can do a lot of things other than just drilling in the wall or normal drilling in the cupboard or wood or even in steel. This can even cut a wood. I'm not going to demonstrate that because I don't have a wood so that I can demonstrate and cut it for you. But yeah, this is what all description it had. And so there's a lot of tools. We're going to check that out. Okay, they gave us some free screws and some plastic ones, grip, so we can put it in the wall. Okay, this is I think a grip and the actual drill. So this drill is a wired drill. The reason being because it's powerful. If you have a wired one, if you have a wireless one, it's not gonna have so much power as the wired. So this is 710 watts Taido. I'll leave the link in the description, so if you all want to buy this. Okay, it looks very nice, man. Just check that out. Check it out. Alright, so let's see. Okay, there's a brush here. I don't know for what it is used for, but I think maybe if you want to clean something. So there's I think maybe this is for removing the paint from the wall. I think so, I'm not sure. So it does a lot of things other than just drilling. Okay, I think this is for rubbing on a concrete or maybe a tiles or something. It's the sharp thing. Yeah, so there is this. Then what is this for? Okay, I guess this is the same thing for removing the paint, the one. So that's the one it is. So I don't know if I'll ever use this, but it's good to have all the tools. And this one here, it's the one which you can cut. Oh, for cutting the wood. Look at it, man. So you just mount it here and it's very sharp. So this can cut a wood. And here in this other plastic we have the drilling stuff. So you got the driver's mount here. Then there is this is I think the adapter for this, and this is for drilling. Oh wow, I think this is for drilling a very big hole. So there are different sizes, and these looks very strong, man. These looks very strong, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, quite a many. So yeah, there are many of these, so you all can see easily. Okay, I'll leave it here. So we're going to demonstrate, we're going to test it out how this drill is going to work. I will drill in my washroom. There are a lot of places that I want to drill. I want to hang this frame of mine on the wall. I want to hang my wall clock. I just moved to a new house, and this was really needed when you are moving to a new house, or otherwise you need it as well, because there's a lot of things that you can do with this. And Getting a wired one is going to discomfort you a little, but you can carry an extension board around, but it's going to give you a real power, like the actual power. You can see how the gun is. Let me connect it and see how does it sound. So yeah, this is for a better grip. Put it here. Oh wow, okay. So you put it here on the back side like this. Oh, it's look like an SMG gun to me, man. And then make sure to tighten it up. Okay, I have tightened it. Now let's check it out. I got my extension board here. All right. So there is, oh okay, so there is orange button. Oh, you see the force. Oh man, this is the real deal. So there is, I think, a speed indicator, I mean the speed switcher. There's left and right, and there is this button here. I don't know what is this for. We will come to know later on when we start using this one. But yeah, I think the left one, and then we can, I don't know what are these for. We'll use it first and try to drill it in the wall and check it out, okay? Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is we need to put one of these things in here. And how do you do it? Well, there is a hole here. All you need to do is take this particular tool and put it here, and you need to hold it very firmly, and you need to unlock it this direction, because this direction is for making it tight. So now once you have that done, you see this, so when you hold it, it will move like this, loose or tight. Okay, now once you're done with this, keep rolling this left side. See, it's coming out, this thing is coming out. So what you need to do is you need to take one of this, put it here, and then just make sure that you're putting it up. So for tightening, you have to turn it on the other side, and then you got it tight. Just for you to be sure if it is tight or not, just put this here and make sure that it's on the tighten, and if you want to lose it, you just spin it this direction. So once you have this here, okay, now it's time to rock and roll. So my mom was tired because of these plastic. It used to fall down the cable. So I'm gonna drill here.
इधर हाँ ऊपर हाँ.
Okay, so this is where I drill. Make sure to keep the switch on the right side so it goes directly in. And then switch it and make sure that it comes out very easily. Just look at the hole. Nice, isn't it? Since I got this, I had to do a lot of holes because my mom wants to. So 1, 2, and 3. Wow. This is for drilling, and then we make the switch here and then take it out. We got a proper hole just like this one. Now we will put the plastic and just put a screw, and your drill is perfect. If you like this video, if you like this drill, do go to the link mentioned in the description and make your drill.